Moby. I'm labeling words that have short vowel sounds. You know, like glasses and socks. Nice hat, Moby. What is a vowel? The letters A, E, I, O, and U are all vowels. Sometimes the letter Y is a vowel too. The rest of the letters are called consonants. Vowel sounds help separate the consonant sounds in words. A word without vowels would be really hard to pronounce or say out loud. Most words in the English language have at least one vowel. And some words are just a vowel all by itself, like I and A. What are short vowel sounds? Short vowel sounds can sound alike, so you have to listen to them very carefully. The short sound for the letter A is A, as in apple, or in bag. The short sound for the letter E is E, as in Ed, or in nest. The short sound for the letter I is I, as in itch, or in pig. The short sound for the letter O is as in ox, or dog. The short sound for the letter U is as in up, or sun. The letter Y does not have a short vowel sound. So the word fly has a long vowel sound. How can you read words with short vowels? There are a few tips you can use to help you read. When a word has one vowel and the vowel comes at the beginning, the vowel is usually short, like an axe or us. Elf, on, and ill all have short vowel sounds in the beginning. When a word has one vowel and it comes between two consonants, the vowel is usually short, like in hen and cat. Rip, log, and hug all have short vowel sounds in the middle. These tips don't always work. When you see a word with only one vowel, try the short sound first to see if it sounds right. As you read more, you will start to see patterns. How can patterns help you read? Some words have the same pattern of vowels into consonants called chunks. The words pot, rot, and hot all share the same chunk, OT. You can use the chunk to help read bigger words with the same chunk, like spots and otter. If you can read the word sand, you can read other words that have A-N-D, like band, hand, and stand. Words that end in the same chunk usually rhyme. What are some other short vowel words, Moby? Lunchbox, sandwich, milk, nuts. Wait, did you just eat my lunch?